today? What are you doing today, man?
So today, we're going to Cedar Point. We're gonna ride all the coasters.
Oh yeah.
Apparently, William says that no one's gonna be at the park today.
No, it should be pretty empty, I think.
We'll see.
Usually is.
But it's gonna be a lot of fun. And Jack just got something juicy, tasty, and irresistible, right, Jack?
Sweet Mickey cheese.
It's disgusting, but you know, whatever. Hey, so we're at.
Hey! Sorry.
What's happening, everybody?
How's it going?
We're at the point of Cedar.
We're at Pine Point.
We're at the point of no return.
What?
What?
So we're here at Cedar Point again. I've already said that, but we're here again. And
It's just Ben's head just poking out.
Ben wanted to be in the video because he claims he's never in there.
I'm usually never in the videos. So, but William finally parked the car, and
We're good to go.
we're good to go, ready to go, excited to go.
Going to the Cedar.
Does that look cool?
What do you want to do first?
Merry-go-round.
Okay.
I want to do the Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel.
Look. Look.
Damn, son.
We just rode our first coaster.
Yeah?
It was fun. It was a
Just so we don't forget the passcode here, boys. It's gonna be 7859. It's Tesh's block right there. All right.
All
All right. Your locker number is 4428.
What locker are we?
4428.
What locker are we? 4428. You already. Now, what game are we playing, Jack?
Tetris, but I forget them. I thought it'd be like a. No, it's
No, the calculator's not the same way either. He doesn't.
It was 7895, I think.
7859.
7859.
7859. No, 7859. Oh.
Whoa! You didn't remember it?
Because it was across the bottom. It's across the
All right.
bottom first.
Well,
Let's go.
now that we got that situated, what are we about to do, man?
We're gonna ride the Millennium Falcon. Force.
Hype? Hype real?
Oh yeah, let's go.
Hype game real? Let's start that. All right, second time. I hit record this time. How was the Millennium Force, gentlemen?
It was a lot of fun.
It's great.
2 thumbs up.
It's great. It's lovely. Very mysterious.
Over here. God. Let's go, buddy.
Ben, give me your thoughts.
I'm scared.
Are ya?
Yeah.
Oh, I hear that. Oh, there it goes.
I don't know, man. Maybe I should. The lines. There's a lot of people that want to ride. I don't know if I stay and ride. So it broke down, so I don't have to ride it.
That's so disappointing.
What a
All right,
disappointment.
well, we're gonna have to get on this later. Ben needs to face his fears. So
We're coming back.
We'll be back.
We're back.
He's squaring up. Square up, Jack.
What's up, buddy? How you doing? It's good.
a fantastic day. There were a couple rides we didn't get to go on, but like a couple, I mean 2, right? So
two that we wanted to, but that's all right.
All right.
It was good.
I don't know all the other ones though.
Off the play.
Great day.
Vlog update.
Oh, whoa, Jack.
Hey, PG-13.
You guys are gonna like this. Stay tuned. Okay.
Get up there with him.
What's up, my man? How you doing?